Good morning, market makers. It is Brendan, the Crypto Buddha from Market Makers. Guys, the road to 25K continues. I'm going to update you on the price. But yesterday, a very special person, he has 200,000 subs, took the time out of his day to troll my video and say bear market hopium. That would be CoinsKid. 200K CK is what I call them. Okay, he said bear market hopium. Guys, let me show you exactly what a bear market is because most of YouTube, including him, have no idea because they don't actually trade in markets. Okay, they invest in the bear market. They bought their coins for a penny. The only interest they have is in the market going up as high as possible, convincing everybody it can go up as high as possible because that's how they make the most money. Okay, you have to understand that. That's what BitBoy does. That's what CoinsKid does. They don't trade. They don't post their trades. So let me show you what a bear market is. Bear markets are often associated with declines in an overall market or index like the S&P 500. You're considered to be in a bear market if they experience a decline of 20% or more over a sustained period of time, typically 2 months or more. 20% price declination, 2 months or more. But he says it's a correction. What's the definition of a correction? I mean, thank God there's other financial markets and financial definitions have been around for a long time. Bear markets shouldn't be confused with corrections, which are a drop of more than 10% but less than 20%. So if it's less than a 20% correction, it is a correction. If it's 20% or more of price declination, it's a bear market, just so you guys know, okay? Let's look and see. Where are we? Is Bitcoin only off 10% of its highs? Well, let's see. It was at 65K at its high. Right now, trading at 37.9, it is minus 42%. It has been this way since May 12th, over 2 months. It fell originally on April 17th. Okay, it fell originally April 17th. So technically, we've been in a bear market for 3 months. Bitcoin is minus 42%, not 10%, not a correction, a hardcore bear market. Where's Matic? Matic was trading at 270, now $1.02. That's today's prices, minus 62% for over 2 months. Minus 62%. Okay, bear market. What else do we have? ADA. Everybody loves ADA. ADA was trading at 246, minus 45% at today's price, minus 45%. But that's a correction. Don't worry about it. Engine Coin, $4 at its peak, $1.36 now, minus 66%. This is a bear market, guys. It matters who you watch on YouTube. There's a lot of hucksters and shysters. You have to understand, like I said, these guys buy in the bear market. They think they're Reddit. They think they're Wall Street bets on Reddit. Wall Street bets, for those of you in other countries, we had congressional hearings about this. They battled the hedge funds. They got a whole bunch of people together. Over 1 million subs are there now. And they all bought stock at the same time to do a short squeeze and squeeze out the hedge funds. This happened with GameStop. This happened with AMC. These guys like BitBoy and CoinsKid view themselves that way. They give you bad information for selfish purposes to try to pump the price of coins. Meanwhile, if you would have bought this and you watch CoinsKid's recycled thumbnails every single day, Bitcoin 200K, and you held this and you never sold it, you could have bought almost at $1.36. You could right now have bought 3 times as much Engine Coin if that was your coin. 3 times as much at today's prices if you would have sold. But no, he told you it's a correction. Don't sell it, and you're minus 66%, minus 45% for ADA, minus 62% for Matic, minus 42% for Bitcoin. Guys, they give you bad information. That's why this channel is exploding in growth. We're only 10 weeks old. We have almost 1,000 subs now. Our room has over 400 people, maybe 450 today. It's because I'm giving you the actual data. I don't care if the market goes up or down. I trade, I short, I long, I buy things for long term. We are not at a bottom, okay? You need to understand that. And I showed you this screenshot yesterday, the 2018 market decline. Look at all the pumps you get in the 2018 market decline. This is after the bull run was over. You're still going to get massive pumps. This is part of the market, it's part of trading in a bear market. Let's get into the price action. So on the 1 hour time frame, what happened? 1 hour time frame, we lost the two moving averages again, okay? I moved my triangle over. Again, this is going to have to be adjusted. I don't think this is going to be the final lay of the triangle, the descending triangle we talked about yesterday. But you can see it got rejected hard by the 200 and fell, okay? This was expected. The 200 on the 4-hour will be your market cap soon. It's been your market cap since April 17th. We went over that in yesterday's video. So the price is stuck now in a resistance line of 38.1. Thursday, which is today, is setting up the weekend, okay? If this goes south, and we'll come back to the 1-hour. Let's look at the 4-hour because it's a bigger picture. If this goes south, you're going to see some dumping. If the price ends up down here below the 200 and the 233, which one it's sitting at 36K and 35K. You need to watch the price. If today or tomorrow it gets below 35K, you're below the 200 and 233 in every time frame. Okay, understand that? Every time frame, and that's when things will get really dumpy. And like I said, my prediction is new lows when that happens. You will see new lows in Bitcoin. Guys, I zoomed out for all the new subs so you could see the volume that I keep constantly banging on. The reason we're stuck, again, this is the bull run included, okay? The bull run, and then this is current price action. This is why this was your cap, because look at the step off in volume. The step off in volume is severe. This is why I said 48, because you start to see some candle growth here, and you see that because of this cluster of candles and then this cluster of candles over here, okay? So if the price can get up there, you can start moving up. But to be completely honest, guys, you're not actually back into a bull run by a financial definition, okay? By a financial definition, you would not actually be returning to the bull run till you're above 58, just so you know. I personally said I would be buying coins at 48 if we can get up here and hold it, right? If we can get up here, not make a double top, not fall down, I would be buying coins up here, okay? Because you can pump. The whales can pump this if they want to and get you back up here. Here is a desert of volume, right? All of this is a desert. This is why you fell. This is why this was your top, okay? It's not a coincidence when you look over to the bull run. Look how these line up almost identically. The top here and the top here, okay? That's not a coincidence. And then you see the lower price action here and the lower price action here, okay? It's all to do with volume. It's because of this space right here on both sides. This space was parabolic pumps right here, which the market makers, the real market makers can do if they want to. That would be the hedge funds and the whales. They can pump the price up, but they have to decide to open their wallets and they have to think that people are going to support it with FOMO. That's where your Coins Kid and your BitBoys come in, okay? The guys that don't know anything about investing. That's where they come in. Because if you held anything they told you to hold, when you started dumping up here, you were negative in every single altcoin. You have not made any money at all if you held when they told you to hold, okay? And let me tell you one other thing. If this thing comes down to 25K, he took the time to troll my account. Is he going to come over and apologize? Or is he just going to say, well, it's just a market correction? Yeah, it's a market correction. We already know the numbers. Guys, understand the hucksters in this space. Understand the shysters in this space. You're taking financial advice, even though they don't say it's financial advice, from people who don't know what they're talking about. I'm 42. I'm probably twice the age of the average person with 100,000 subs in crypto, okay? I'm probably twice the age. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've been trading since I was 18 years old, okay? I understand market structure. I understand financial definitions. I work for one of the world's largest investment banks. Don't listen to people that have no idea what they're talking about and base their whole theory off of a Fibonacci number from last bull market. That's the whole basis of the theory, okay? Understand that, guys. I don't like the rant, but it bothers me to no end that somebody's so threatened by Real TA, by losing members, that they come over and troll my account and say bear market hopium when they don't even understand what they're talking about. They have no idea what they're talking about. Because you're down 66% in Engine Coin and you're down 42% in Bitcoin right now. Literally the definition of a bear market. Guys, that's the road to 25K. Let's look back at the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what our magic hocus pocus indicators show us, okay? Hocus pocus. So the ATR is something everybody should be using. We have a video on it in our Discord. Plenty of videos on YouTube as well. Measures volatility. This is our trend strength indicator. You can see it is selling. It's not hardcore red right now. So I expect us to kind of bounce back and forth between this 38 level. Probably keep retesting the moving average there. Which one do I have in orange? I think that's the 200 on the 1 hour. I'm not sure, but I expect us to keep testing the moving average. We're below both of them in the 1 hour time frame now. If we slip below it in the 4 hour, again, that's when new lows will happen. All the indicators are showing selling. Obviously, these move in waves. They will move. They will move back up. The key thing is, will it hold? Will it hold again? Or are they going to pump through it? Yesterday they pumped through it, and then on the 4 hour, when we look at that, zoom in on the 4 hour a little bit. All right. So 4 hour, I adjusted the triangle again. Again, I don't expect this to be the final shape. Remember, we went over this yesterday. This triangle could come way out here. This triangle could be exactly where it is, and price could just start going down, okay? But this is what you're watching right here, are these two moving averages. Yellow is a 200, so this is your 200 and 233. This is what you're watching. If we slip below these in the 4 hour, this is not a price prediction because I know there's some confusion from reading the comments. If we slip below these, we are making new lows in the near future. If we slip below them and stay below them, we are making new lows. To be fair, what would a bullish prediction be? A bullish prediction would be at some level here, you bounce up and you start making progress again, right? And we already went over this. You got to get past that volume. And if you get up to 48, like I've said it a few videos ago, if you get up to 48K and don't make shapes, I am looking to buy long term because I am a trader. I will trade in and out of this market and I will buy long term. I'm giving you the data as I see it, guys, based on my experience. Doesn't mean I'm right. There's plenty of possibilities, and I do suggest you watch this video. Go watch CoinsKid's videos. That's the difference. I'll send you to watch his videos. He won't even mention my name, but he'll come over here and troll my account, which is hilarious to me. Go watch his videos. See who's more accurate with their thumbnails. See who's more accurate with their predictions. Go look at what he said back on April 17th when Bitcoin dumped. Go look at what he said May 12th when Bitcoin dumped. Go look at that, and then you can see my predictions and what I did. Okay? Guys, I appreciate you subscribing, appreciate you liking the video. Send this out in the crypto space, please, my friends, and I'll try to reply to all your comments, good or bad, in the comment section. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend with your family, and we will talk soon.